guys, my name is Vanessa and I like to make fashion, sewing, and creative videos. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys a little tutorial on how you can use your Cricut machine. The Cricut machine is a machine that helps you cut different types of materials. So I know you can do like wood, fabrics, you can do vinyl, and a lot of other. So you can go on Canva and literally create different designs, and then your Cricut machine will basically cut it all out for you. Designs that you make on t-shirts, mugs, you can make stickers, you can make thank you cards. There's so many things that you can make with your Cricut machine. So if you guys do have a Cricut, it's the perfect machine to use to make different gifts for your friends or family. It's definitely something that's more personalized, and I'm sure that they'll enjoy a lot more because you of course made it. So yeah, definitely something to think about. If you guys like this video, make sure that you like and subscribe, and yeah, let's get started. So first I'm gonna open up Cricut's Design Space software. Once you're in, you can see I have some previous designs I've used here. What you would do is click upload on the side here and upload any designs. I use Canva to make all of my designs. It's free and very simple with lots of templates you can use. But today I'm going to be using the design that I have over here in my projects. It's from Greece. I don't know if you guys know, but this is one of my favorite movies growing up. I put the little quote, "Tell me about it, stud," from when Sandy tells it to Danny, and yeah, I love that movie. But anyways, we're gonna do that one today. I'm gonna put that on a t-shirt. So once you have your design, you're gonna click make it at the bottom how I just showed you, and then it'll take you to the screen. Since the text is going on a t-shirt, you would need to mirror the image. So the screen is basically the grid of the mat. You want to make sure that whatever material you are trying to cut is aligning with the correct size of your design. You can also go back and then adjust the size if you'd like, and it'll tell you the dimensions on the corners, the top and the side there. So you're going to want to make sure that you mirror the image like I said, so that you can see it properly on the shirt. And then we're going to hit continue. And then on this screen, it's going to tell you the materials that you are able to work with. I'm going to go ahead and pick iron on because we're going to iron on the text to a t-shirt. But there's obviously a lot of different things that you can use. And then also that's going to tell the machine the settings that I need for that specific material, if that makes sense. Now before we do anything further, I'm going to make sure that the material is nice and flat laid on the mat. We're going to make sure that the shiny side is face down, so that's the right side. You're going to also make sure that there's a lot of space in between the wall and the Cricut so that the mat can move nicely throughout that area. And now we're just going to hit the little arrow button there that I'm pointing at on the machine. So it's basically going to feed it through. And then we're going to, again, make sure that it's laying nice and flat. And then you can hit the Cricut button that you see it's lighting up. And then that'll start the cutting process. So once the machine is done cutting, you're going to click a little blinking arrow signal, and that's just going to release it through. And then you're going to see that you can see the text cut out nicely. We're just going to go ahead and weed out the material that we don't need. So now we're going to start weeding, which I'll be honest is not my favorite part because it just takes a while. But we're going to use our weeding tool and just basically remove all of the material that we do not want to be ironed on our shirt, which is basically the stuff that's not our design. So basically I'm just going to be removing that very carefully because we don't want to peel off any of the letters, any of the actual design that we want to be ironed on. And yeah, this could take a little bit of time, but with practice it becomes a lot easier. moving on to my favorite part now, which is actually ironing on the design to the t-shirt. So we're gonna make sure that we get our white t-shirt, and well, it doesn't have to be white, but I have a white t-shirt, and I'm just gonna put my design wherever I want to lay it out. Make sure that you smooth out the shirt or iron it before so that you don't have any like creases. Everything is nice and smooth, and then you're just gonna place it wherever you want it at, and then I use a little bit of parchment paper over it so it doesn't like overheat it on or like, you know, burn through or anything like that. So I'm just gonna place the iron on it for a few seconds. So that is it. All you have to do is peel it off and you will see that the letters attach to the shirt nicely. And that is basically it, you guys. All done with the help of your Cricut machine. Okay guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you like and subscribe, and make sure you follow me on Instagram so you can see my daily content on there. And yeah, that is it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.